You can watch a movie in English and understand every word. You can read an article and get it instantly. But the moment someone asks you a question, nothing comes out. If that's you, this video is going to explain exactly why and how to fix it. Here's the part nobody tells you. Understanding English and speaking English are two completely different skills. Your brain built a huge understanding room, years of listening, reading, watching, but almost no time was spent building the speaking room. So when it's your turn to talk, that room is empty. This is the imbalance. You've been training input, listening, and reading for years. But speaking needs its own separate practice. It doesn't grow just because your understanding grows. It's a different muscle. Here's how to actually build the speaking muscle, not just add more understanding. Step 1. Talk out loud, even alone. Answer questions you hear on shows. Pause the video and actually say your answer out loud. Understanding silently doesn't count as practice. Step 2. Shrink the gap between hearing and saying. Pick 5 sentences a day from something you watched and say them out loud, from memory without reading them. Step 3. Accept slow, imperfect speaking over silent, perfect understanding. A messy sentence you actually said out loud trains your brain more than a perfect sentence you only understood in your head. This is the after. Both rooms built, not just one. Understanding gave you the words. Now speaking practice gives you the voice. Try this today. Take one sentence you understood perfectly this week and say it out loud 5 times. That's how the empty room gets built. If this helped, subscribe. Simba Eduzone posts a new English mindset video every week.